Hi everyone, it's Lehman with Lace Covered Skies. I'm here today with another sneak peek for what's going to come on Tuesday for Tutorial Tuesday. And this one, so there will be a Mask Making Monday video for this, so you can look forward to that tomorrow. But what we're going to be making are these vintage retro slide mounts. You might have seen, I did a haul, I think it's called a Jackpot estate sale haul, where I got a bunch of vintage slide mounts, and I used those in this project to make some vintage retro slides. So let me show you. This is the stack that I have that I used, and let me just go ahead and show you some of my favorites. This one right here. Sorry, I'm trying to center it. So I did some where I made it clear around, and then I did some where I kind of filled up the whole entire frame. So these will, let me just show you a couple more. These will be used as tuck spots, which I've done in the past, and I love how that looks. Let's see. And then I did some, these are mostly from National Geographic magazines, but you can use any kind of book you want, of course. So there's this type of, more like a painting. And this is one of my favorites. I think it's so pretty with this color. But yeah, if you're interested in seeing how I made those or crafting along with me, please tune in for this week's videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you next time. Bye everyone.